What you need to know, the rules, and the whys. The whys. Herbalife Nutrition supports you with information necessary to help you with your business building goals. We provide you with background that explains the whys behind the rules and their importance. The rules have been established to protect the business of all distributors, the customers, the brand, and the Herbalife Nutrition business model. The rules are based on 6 key principles that you will learn about now. Complying with business, industry, and legal requirements. Requirements within the rules include protections that align with direct selling industry standards and elements of the law to help keep distributors compliant. The rules around making claims and the way you share your story relate to this principle. Maintaining your independence as a business owner. The rules of conduct respect and reflect the independent nature the direct selling opportunity provides. As a self-employed independent business owner, you have the freedom to choose how you wish to pursue the business, including the amount of time you wish to commit and the amount of expenses you feel reasonable to incur. 3. Providing distributor and customer protections. Herbalife Nutrition is a leader in the direct selling industry and is proud to offer what we believe to be the gold standard in consumer protection for distributors. Our gold standard guarantees include low startup costs and no required minimum purchases, sales aids, or business tools. Herbalife Nutrition provides clear and accurate information about potential income to prospective distributors. The way you operate your business can impact Herbalife Nutrition, the industry, and your own reputation. Offering a 30-day money-back guarantee on product purchases provides a positive customer experience, which supports this principle. 4. Following sound business practices. Standards that are key to building a business on a solid foundation are incorporated in the rules. Staying informed of new policies, providing basic training, and regularly maintaining business records are examples of sound business practices. 5. Protecting the lines of sponsorship. The direct selling business model is about personal relationships. It takes hard work for distributors to recruit, motivate, train, and mentor those they sponsor, and to develop and maintain a strong and sustainable organization. The rules encourage and support established relationships and also serve to maintain the integrity of the sales and marketing plan. For example, the period of inactivity before signing a distributorship application under a new sponsor aids in maintaining the lines of sponsorship. Upholding the brand and image. Herbalife Nutrition is a globally recognized leader in the nutrition industry. There are a variety of ways for you to advertise. For instance, the rules provide the do's and don'ts for the use of trademarks and trade names. Download logos and advertising assets from myherbalife.com. When promoting your business, remember you are the brand. Now that you know the whys behind the rules, visit the What You Need to Know page on myherbalife.com for easy tips and guides to support your business. Remember, you make the difference.